This is a BurgerFi burger review. This burger is about the size of a Big Mac at McDonald's. Let's see how it tastes. Isn't too bad. Just tastes like a plain Wendy's burger, man. It's like nothing special. Just okay. And I also got a chicken sandwich we're gonna try out. This chicken sandwich is like $11. Let's see. Chicken sandwich is pretty good flavor, but it's pretty dry. If the chicken sandwich was a little bit more moist, it would probably be an 8 out of 10, but it's pretty dry. It's probably like a 5 to 6 out of 10. And the burger right here is like a 4 out of 10. The reason why it's only a 4 out of 10 is it's like $11 for this damn burger. Like, this burger isn't even that big. It's ridiculous.